welcome back again. This is my second video on Evergain. Its token ticker is EVEG and this is the detail of white paper. It consists of 8 pages. This is the first page. In the second page you can click and can read this important disclaimer of this project, and at the bottom you can read introduction and on vision and vision detail. Our vision to connect blockchain to one of the fastest growing real world demand of this decade. Computing power of artificial intelligence AI model run on GPU and CPU, run on electricity that has no reliable, affordable and available at scale. Evergain mission to build the pipeline secure to energy capacity, deploy it power dedicated AI GPU, compute infrastructure, and channel to revenue that comes back into transparent on-chain buybacks of EVEG. We think the next phase of crypto adoption belong to projects that can point on a real, measurable businesses behind their token and just roadmap of promises. Evergain is built to be judged on exactly that basics. And this is the detail of philosophy. Scroll down, you can check here ecosystem and revenue model, energy per compute detail, and this is the tokenomics detail, and this is the table, the allocation of this token, and the total supply of Evergain. And the scroll down, this is detail about public ICO detail. Dates July 21st to November 21, 2026. Price is 0.003 per EVEG fixed for the duration of the sale. Soft cap is $600,000 and hard cap is $225,000. So this is the detail of ICO, and this is the use of funds. You can read it, and the treasury and transparency, roadmap detail, and these factors and conclusion, and these are social. So this is the end of the review of this project. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.